Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pleasure and honor to be here and spending time with you people today. Jerry was talking about his sponsorships and the last 5 years history of Karamve, but he didn't tell you the real hardships that he faced. I met him last year around December, and he was moving to a smaller house. And over the talks, I realized that he had to do that in order to fund this program. Then and the reasons behind and the sponsors that he could not accept and the whole story. Sometimes I was also talking to one of our members here who spoke to you about how she failed to correct India through journalism. And she did mention that for an event like this, you will end up doing the same thing, and many of them die before they actually mature and start delivering their objectives. If it is an event of getting a bit of glamour, or that what she said was, if you were to do something about Sania Mirza, then probably you'll get tons of sponsors. That is the status of it today, and I felt we at Control S, yes, we are not a large multinational corporation, but we do some meaningful work to protect the data of the companies, and we do it with passion. And in every one of my team members is selected because of his high levels of integrity so that we will be able to do effectively our objective, meet the objectives of Control S, that is protection of data. For us, it is quite natural to support this program, as all of you who are going to be the award winners today are our natural role models for us people at Control S. We are very glad that all of you could make it today, and we are in a position to encourage this program. And I welcome all of you once again to this event, and I look forward to seeing much more bigger works from all of you in the near future. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I now request Mr. Sridhar Reddy to kindly present the check to Mr. Jerry Almeida.
So thank you, Sridhar, for that support and for pledging long-term support. You've all seen the check. The amount is for 5 lakhs of rupees for this year. That is what we actually need to put this award ceremony and the conclave together. Thank you very much, and we're very obliged. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I'd now like to invite on stage our distinguished guests of honor, Dr. Lalit Kumar, Ms. Meera Sanyal, Mr. Arun Bhagat, Mr. Anuj Agarwal, Dr. T.K. Matthew, Mr. Ajay Miglani, Ms. Julie George, Mr. Pradeep Gupta, Mr. Anand Trivedi. I request all the guests of honor to kindly come on stage and join us for the candle lighting ceremony, followed by the pledge. And I also request all the volunteers of iCongo to please distribute the candles to the audience. I also request Mr. Sridhar Reddy and Mr. Jerry Almeida to please join us on stage. I now request all of you to kindly stand up with us and join us in the candle lighting ceremony, followed by the pledge. As you can all witness, with one candle, we light so many more candles. I now request all of you to kindly repeat the pledge after me. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political, liberty of thought expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, ensuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November, 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Together as one, we can right every wrong. Together as one, we can right every wrong. Together as one, we can right every wrong. Thank you, everyone.